Hello everyone, this is Moses from Out There Gardens. I'm inside my house now. I picked up my Armenian cucumbers. These are edible. Sometimes the seeds are a little bit tough, but these taste just as sweet and just as juicy as when they're young. So there's a marble for comparison. And there's still an ant. Let me get that ant off. I washed it off, I guess it hung on. But yeah, there you go. There's about maybe 6 of these in the backyard. Not too sure how long they are. 8, 16, 24 inches, 2 feet long. And they weigh, I'm not too sure how much they weigh, but they're pretty heavy. But when you cut into them, add a little bit of salt, maybe a little cayenne pepper, you're good to go. They're just as sweet and just as juicy as when they're really young. Like, you know, a regular size, small Armenian cucumber. But yeah, so this is from seaweed fertilization and wood chip mulching. Before this, I used to get the largest Armenian cucumbers I used to get maybe were 6 inches long, a little bit more, and now pretty good. All right, everyone. My son just woke up. Say hi, Shant. You ate the jujube? Okay, thank you.
What?
That's your marble.
Where you got it?
Where do I got it? I don't know. Let's go put it away. All right, everyone.
I got it in the box.
Okay, cool. All right. Happy gardening, everyone. Bye. Say bye, Shant. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.